Madam, your defense of the Bharatiya Janata Party today, this is the first challenge which the BJP is facing after forming the government.
You're absolutely right. This is a huge challenge, and I think we must take all responsibility for this. There is no running away from this very grave situation. You know, I have my nephews and nieces who are applying. I know so many youngsters who are applying for these exams who have been taking them. One of my nephews is a doctor, and I know what that exam means and what it does to children and their families. So, indeed, there is a huge miss here, and it has to be sorted, it has to be fixed. And I think the officers have a lot to answer for. Clearly, there is something happening when it comes to the at a top level that not for the first time that this is going on. But I would also like to say that instead of Rahul Gandhi jumping in and making it all about BJP, he should look at what's happening also in Bihar, where Tejasvi's own PA is involved in a scam like this. So it's indeed very unfortunate that the entire matter, which is very, very serious, and I cannot run away from that, is being completely politicized. I think something is seriously wrong. There has to be plugged. We are totally with the Supreme Court, and we'll do exactly as the Supreme Court says. But I think also Indie Bloc, instead of using it for sheer politics, must answer as to what they are doing with RJD even now. Now that all evidence of the involvement and complicity of Tejasvi Yadav and his PA is very much out in the open.
Okay, Dr. Pooja, would you like to react to it? That the BJP spokesperson says that the opposition has politicized the matter. You have to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
It's not about politicizing, Karthik. It's about the matter of future of 27 lakh students. And it's just not 27 lakh students, 27 lakh families. I've prepared for NEET. I'm a medical doctor. I've seen my mom and dad grilling for a year with me during the preparation. And now government just washes off its hand. And these factors, when that the EOU arrested, there was massive scam going in Godra, there was this grace mark, there was this unlimited topper, exaggerated number of toppers. This has been in public domain. So I disagree to this fact that Dharmendra Pradhanji was misled by NTA chairman. These were there in the public domain. The NTA with education minister did nothing for it. And as far as Tejasvi's PA is concerned, is he involved or Tejasvi's PA is involved? Is one question I frankly ask. And if Tejasvi's PA is involved, and strict action should be taken, because this is what are we trying to create here? We are trying to create an army of subpar, non-meritorious fraud students who will be masquerading as doctors, and the lives of people will be at risk. And this is what the future, as
Okay,
a medical field,
fair
the
enough.
government wants
Fair
to
enough.
do.
Fair enough.